What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So today, guys, I'm deciding here to just do a quick live stream. We really hit it hard today, both long and short, $4,000 in profit. We crushed Apple as well, $1,000 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just walk you through all the setups. We're going to do live analysis. We're going to look at some of your chart requests, and we're going to talk about what's next, what we're expecting going into the close here. All right, so we are currently in a short position right here at 366.18. We are in a short position on SPY. Already hit our target, which was yesterday's low. And I just have a tiny bit left on this position. If it, I'm deciding if I should just close it because I already got to my target, but I just want to leave a little bit on to see if we can get a bigger sell-off. Okay. So I have a very tiny bit left, and I'm going to keep the stop loss right above this candle over here. Again, we shorted 366.18. We covered at the previous day's low. If you look at SPY, we created this outside bar on the daily chart, guys. Very, very powerful candle right here created this outside bar on SPY. We made a new high today, and we also made a new low compared to yesterday. So this is a really, really powerful day. It's going to set the trend for the market going forward. I really, really think so. All right. So let's go ahead first. Let's do the recap on how we made the 4K today. And then let's go ahead. We'll watch this short. And then we'll also talk about some of your requests and just have a good time and have some fun. All right. Okay. So we're going to start off with Apple. So Apple, I gave this one for free last night, guys. The engagement on Twitter has been dropping very, very swiftly. And I'm not sure if it's happening to everyone, but it's kind of disappointing because I'm giving bangers every single day for free. But hopefully it picks up a little bit. So thank you for those who are out here supporting. So our long entry on Apple was 144.61. So let me walk you through how we made this $1,000 here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead right here. I'm going to draw in our long trigger 144.61. So that is the level where we are trying to get long. Okay. And what I'm going to show you guys here is this little, it's a big box, small box strategy. Okay. That's pretty much what I like to call it. So you could see that I'm going to hit the replay and I'm going to walk you through exactly why we took the trade and give you the education behind it. All right. So if we go to the daily chart on Apple, why did I want to take a trade on Apple? Why did I want to get into Apple? Because yesterday, guys, we had an inside bar. All right. So why do we want to trade inside bars? Just look at the last few inside bars. So the inside bar are the yellow. Okay. So this inside bar here, this inside bar here, this inside bar, this inside bar here. After these inside bar, guys, look at the moves. Look at the moves that are happening after these inside bars. So that's why I wanted to trade it, because the inside bar, the next day, we generally have a good move, a good breakout. It could be long, it could be short, it doesn't matter, but it gives us volatility as day traders to make money. Hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. Does that make sense right off the bat? So we're looking for that breakout from an inside bar. All right. So if I draw it physically, here was the bigger range. Okay. Put that in yellow and I'm going to extend it. And then here was the inside bar. All right. So I love to show it to you guys visually so you could see what we're doing. We had this is the inside bar. We're trying to take this breakout, right? Because when the price action gets tight and consolidating, that's when it can explode. Okay. So remember, our long line was 144.61. We broke that, not off the first candle, not off the second, third, fourth candle. We get into the trade, pops right back up there. We get our 2 legs. Okay. So remember, one of the main things that I like to teach you guys is the market likes to move in legs. All right. So we had a 1 push up, we had a pullback. It retested our level perfectly. So even if you missed the breakout, you got that retest confirmation with the outside bar, and then we made that second leg. So what I did here for profit taking is I took the fib from the low to the high, and we didn't get a deep pullback. But I used the extensions. You see this 272. I used these extensions to help me take my target, 10%, 0.169, 272. And then I put the rest of the position at break even, and we got trailed out right there. Okay. So it took a little bit of time to get trailed out, but you could see we topped 3 times, So at some point, if we're not going to break it, there's a high chance that we're just going to roll over. And that's where we are right now. We rolled over on Apple, but still $1,000 profit Can't complain. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right, now we're going to SPY. So I'm still short on SPY. 366.18 is our short. I want to see us come back down here. I want to see us make a new low. Okay, I want to see us make a new low. That's what I'm watching right now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna talk about SPY now. So what did we do with SPY in the morning? So today was all about trigger trading. Okay, so that's what I focused on today, and I let everybody in the Discord know that that's what I was gonna do today. So right, so let's go to the Discord. Let's go to the live commentary right now, and I'm just gonna show you. So in this morning, our trigger long went off at 10:09. So 370.42 was the level that we took long this morning, and let me just explain to you why. Okay, so let's do that. So here we go. Coordinates 370.42. Just make sure. Okay, so I post these trigger plays every single night. So you can see I always post them in advance. So I'm looking at the right one here. Yep. So our long here, 371.22. I think I put it in. Oh yeah, sorry, that was the target. That's what I'm saying. Like I have it mixed up here. 1 second, guys. Let me go back and make sure I have the right long trigger. Today, nice squeeze. Love this. Oh, so yeah. So those were my targets. My stop loss was 370.42. Sorry. So just got I got confused with the stop loss there. So the long was 371.22. Okay, and I automate these trades. So literally, I put it in the broker, and the broker does the work for me. I don't have to do anything. Okay, I put it in the night before. Entry, stop loss, target. It hits, we make money. If it doesn't hit, it's fine. I don't want to be too involved. Okay, because that's when you're too involved. That's when you can self-sabotage. All right, so in the morning, we popped up right here. We started to trend very strong. And right there at 10:05 is when our trigger activated. So you could see right here in the live commentary, smash through our trigger. My max stop loss is 370.42. So let me explain to you why I did that. So at 10:09, we got filled. So why did I want to put the stop loss there? Because when we broke out, do you see how powerful this bar is? Okay. You see how powerful this bar is? Do you guys see how big and strong that green candle is right there? Hit me with a 2 if you see that. Whenever you see a breakout like this, so let's say you get into your trade right there. If you have a big, powerful bar that's in your trade, okay, that bar needs to hold. If that bar immediately breaks, if we turn around right there and we break this bar, then it's not a real breakout. It's not real. Okay. So what we did right here, we popped through. I put my stop loss there for protection. We got first target right there. The next one squeezed right through. That's what you need to see. And then so you can start off with your stop loss here, and then you can just move it up every candle. And this candle, your final there, and you get it to break even. So then you could see I got the first target there. I use futures for this. So I got 4 points on one contract is $200. And then I went to break even there. Okay. So not bad. Not bad. So overall, $4,000. And then this is how crazy SPY was today. We're all the way up there, and now we're all the way down here. And I just did the same thing. I used the short trigger now. You see how the short's working here? So 366.18 was our short trigger. So I'll go right here and I'll show you guys. Where is it at? Trigger right there. 366.18. I'm doing the same thing, literally. So we entered short right here. Target is the low of the day. We came back. We retested the level again. So if you guys caught it, great. Whoever came to the stream early, we're still in this here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the stop loss and I'm going to put it above this candle, because this drop right here, it needs to be real. Okay, I don't want to see no fake drop. Above this candle here, I want to see a nice clean drop here, and I'm going to start taking some more profit. Hit me with a 6 if it makes sense. Does that make sense right there? I'm using the candlesticks to help me with the trades. I'm using it to see. I'm trying to understand where are the buyers, the sellers, what candles need to hold, what candles are fake. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do here. So let's see here. We can get a nice flush. Let's look for some targets here. All right, so honestly, this one right here, if this short goes pretty crazy, I'll take that. I'll take it straight into the close. Yeah, so the automation, the trades are entered by itself, and you can put a target and a stop if you want. But for me right now, I'm managing this trade. I'm managing this one. All right, I'm managing this trade right now, but the entry was automatic. Okay, but I want to move my stop right now. You don't have to. Like the stop loss was back up here. You could just leave it. All right. So a lot of people that trade with me that have full-time jobs, a lot of people that have full-time jobs, a lot of people that, you know, have kids, they want to just automate their trades and just leave it. And that's fine too. Okay. All right. So let's see, man. I want this thing to push into the close. I want a nice drop off here. Okay. Definitely need to take some profits though and not get greedy. All right. So if this candle can close with a nice full, like full big body, I'm going to bring it and take it above this candle here. So I'll be in the money. All right. So let's go ahead and let's keep our entry on the screen though. Let's keep our entry on the screen. So 366.18. So let's go ahead. Let's keep the entry on the screen. I don't want to lose that. 366.18. I will put the entry in yellow. Okay. So we're pretty much, you know, pretty much at break even with the trailing right there. There we go. So this right here, that's how you protect yourself. Okay. So triggers are just basically it's a combination of fibs, average true range, and candle wicks. Okay. So let me ask you. So you see my entry, the yellow is 366.18. If you look at this chart with me, why do you think I would want to short at 366.18? What do you guys think? Okay. Look to the left. You see all of these wicks here? This was buying that happened yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks. This was a lot of buying that happened yesterday. So one of the reasons I want to short here is because I think if we break these wicks, any bull or any bullish algorithm that bought down here, they're going to get stopped out. You see what I'm saying, guys? So I'm going ahead here and I'm thinking, okay, where's the bull trap? Where's the trap? That's why I have those levels, right? And let's see if we can get a new low here, guys. Let's see if we can get a nice new low here. Come on, get down there right there. Break that low for me. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to move the trailing stop over here on this candle. And let's see if we can break it down right there. So right now it's an inside bar forming. So my free indicators, the link is in the description. It'll show you when the inside bars are forming in yellow. So right now we're forming an inside bar. You see it has not broken the low. That's why the candle is still yellow. But if it breaks the low, this candle will become red. Okay. So this candle will become red. So let's just see if we can break a new low, because if we get an inside bar here that closes in the next 3 minutes, that might be a sign for me to just close the position. Just because that means, you know, we're slowing down. But I want to see a good flush here. I want to see a good flush. So let's just see, can we break it? There we go. Nice. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the stop loss in the money right here, guys. We are in the money right there, up a lot. So there's the entry here. I'm just going to go ahead and just keep trailing. You guys see what I'm doing here? This is like an active way to manage your trades to make sure that you're making money. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And let me know, what do you guys prefer? Do you like to leave it all automatic, or do you like to manage it? Hit me with the 1 if you like to do fully automated. Hit me with the 2 if you like to manage it. What do you guys, which ones do you guys like doing? All right. So this is nice. This is nice right here, guys. I like that. I like that right here. So no matter what, I'm going to make money. My entry was here, 366.18. I'm going to make money on this trade no matter what. But I'm trying to give it enough room to breathe in case it wants to crash. Because if it wants to crash, I'm going to make a lot of money. But if you don't give it enough room, then it can turn back on you and you get out of the position, right? So I try to use a candlestick to help me with that. And if you're even doing this on a longer time frame, like if you want to swing trade this, right, then you could even just trail this hourly bar. You see how big that big hourly candle is? You can just trail the hourly if you want to swing it. But I just want to get in and out. I made enough money today. No greed, right? I'm not going to get greedy. And I don't want a profitable trade to come back and become a loser, right? Okay. All right. All right. So, all right, let's do some chart requests while this short continues. Please, my friends, go ahead and just let me know what you want to see, and we'll go in there. Sorry, guys, I have a headache right now, so I'm not feeling too well. So I'm sorry. Like, I feel like my speech is slurring, and I feel like I'm not fully there. So I apologize. It's been pretty cold these days. All right, what chart request do you guys have? NVIDIA. All right, so let's go. Let's look at NVIDIA. Yeah, so the 618 today, this afternoon leg did not even budge. So if we go here, we look at that fib. So we caught, let's go ahead, let's go to my brother's account. And let me just show you the trades that he was able to capture with the fibs today. And to be honest, some of you guys aren't ready for this yet, but I want to still show you. So today in the room, so this is the orders on MES 2,195. So today, what Gary did, my brother right here, what he was doing was shorting these legs on the way down. Remember yesterday I talked about these stair stepping that happened yesterday. So remember those stair stepping that happened yesterday? Literally the same thing happened today. All right. So on the way up, we didn't have any pullbacks, but once we got to the top, I'll go ahead and draw the fib for you now. And this is actually, if you guys, if you can master this, you'll make a lot of money. Okay. So we had this pullback from the morning. If I go from high to low here, you see this 618, this is the one we caught. And honestly, guys, in hindsight, if we had held that, it'd probably been 10 grand in hindsight, right? But we took profits on this one. But anyways, so there was your 618 here. Okay. That was your 618 pullback there. And then there was another one high to low here again. So the algo has been shorting. We've just been seeing shorts for the fibs there, and then come back here again. 618, 618. And then if we look at the big bullish picture, didn't even do nothing. It went straight down. Okay. So that was crazy. But luckily we caught this side. All right. Okay. All right. So NVIDIA. All right. So NVIDIA, very interesting spot right here. So notice how SPY made a new low of the day, but NVIDIA did not. That's a bullish sign for NVIDIA. So let's go put our fibs on. Put our 786. So right now, I think NVIDIA, you could see it tried to hold the 618. If we look for something on a lower time frame, like what I would wait for is something like our Holy Grail. So you see how my indicator highlights these patterns for free? These are the patterns I like to look for. Holy Grails, Nirvanas. So we can wait around for something like that. Otherwise, I don't really see like a Fibonacci setup here that I would play off of. So just waiting. Anything else? What else do you guys have? Nike, Tesla. All right, let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla, that gap down from earnings. I could look at this chart right now, guys, and I could tell you something important right now. Check this out. What do you think that is right there? And this is a pretty nice chart here because I'm going to show you some crazy things with the fibs. What is that? Let's see who knows. The first time I'm looking at Tesla today, I could look at this chart and I could tell you right now that that's a fib. Let's do it. Take a Fibonacci from the high to the low, right on that 618, guys. So that's the 618 gap fill. All right. That's one of my old school strategies right there. So the algos right here ran it back up to the 618. We even had the confirmation candles. You see the wicks here, 1, 2 big wicks. Let's go to a lower time frame and see if there was anything else. So don't see anything on the 2 minute. Let's look at the 3 minute. We had an inside bar up here as well, but that's what we call the gap fill fib. And if you guys want to go ahead and make a lot of money, anytime you see a big gap, there's a huge gap like that, you can take the fib and split the gap. Okay, so split the gap. So here's the gap. 61.8% of the gap is right here. That's where they wait for the retrace. Let me ask you this. Do you think, how do you think you can make millions? If you short here, do you think the people that shorted here are going to make money? Or do you think the people that waited for the puts to decay, come back all the way up here, 62% retracement, they buy the puts here? Who's going to make more money? Hit me with a 1 if you think the people here are going to make more money. Hit me with a 2 if you think the people here are going to make money. Let me know. What do you guys think? This right here, you know who shorts here? Who shorts here? This is everybody reading the news. Oh, Tesla this, that, Tesla is down, blah, blah, blah. Retail comes in here, they short, they get crushed. And when they cover their position on the way back up now at this point, when they're down so much money, they're like, I give up, I'm done. That's when the big boys come in on the algorithms, on the fibs, and they take it back down. Hit me with a 10. Does that make sense? I see this all the time, guys. Let the fibs guide you, man. Let the fibs guide you. Don't be that person. When you trade with me, when you learn from me, when I give you content, I won't lead you to the fire like that, guys. Right? And I guarantee you, the puts were so expensive this morning, even on this move, they couldn't make any money anyways, because the premium was already priced in. Hit me with a 9. Does that make sense? Even on this move, so let's say they shorted at the open, the premium was so expensive on the puts, they probably couldn't make any money, period. Okay. So now you pull back, guys. Stay one step ahead of the game, right? I almost got trailed out on the short here. So, still in the money here. Let's see if we can make a new low. Okay. And here's the other thing. Even if you make 5 or 10%, what's the point? What's the point of trying to make 5 or 10%? Because when you lose, you're going to lose 100%, right? So what's your risk to reward? It's inverted, so you can never make money. But now, if you let the puts, if you get them for a cheap price, you have a positive risk to reward now. You risk 100% to make 5%. Why? If you trade perfectly and then you make one mistake, it's over. You see what I'm saying, guys? So always, always, always stay on top of the game. Does that make sense about risk management? Hit me with a 5. If you are going for 10 or 15%, 5%, but you risk 100%, what's the point? Okay. That doesn't make sense. If the math behind the trade doesn't make sense, then don't take the trade. Whenever you use the Fibonacci, you're letting yourself get a deal. You're waiting for it to pull back. 62%, 61.8%. Let it pull back. Even if you're wrong, you're not going to lose that much compared to if you chased it. All right? Don't chase, guys. It's important to me because so many people blow up their account. I blew up my account. Like, why am I passionate? Why do I care about this? Because I blew up my account doing that. I blew up my account doing that when I first started trading, right? I don't want you guys to do that. Why would you need to do that when you could come and learn and protect your money? You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what I'm trying to do here. Come on, SPY. There we go. Love it. New low. All right. We're going to go ahead. We're going to move stop loss here now. So we have a lot of profit cushion on SPY right there. All of this right here is profit, guys. Just love this short right here. Very simple, man. Let's go. I don't trade Forex. Hit me with a 9. Okay, no crypto, no Forex, guys, because it's all infiltrated by scammers. I don't deal with anything that scammers deal with. Telegram, WhatsApp, I don't deal with nothing. Crypto, I focus on S&P 500, what I know how to trade. Big names, Microsofts, Apples, that's what I do every day. SPY, Qs. All right, man. Look, if this candle flips green, I'm out. I won't waste any more time. All right, guys, look, 24, 25 minutes in. I'm about to just call it right here and just take my money and run. Yep. So if this thing flips green right there, takes out that high, I'm going to be out. Let's see. There we go. Okay. I'm out, guys. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Got some good profit on the short trigger there. Got some good profit on the long. Not bad day. $4,000 profit. I hope I taught you a little bit, and I hope you enjoyed the stream. Look, anybody that's on the stream right now, if you're on the stream right now, the Twitter, like, I don't really know what's going on here. Let me just show you guys this, for example. Okay, I have 97,000 followers, and literally this went to 2,000 people. So bro, I'm trying to get my message and trying to teach people, and it's not getting out there. I have 97,000 followers, and only 2,000 people saw this tweet to come for this live session. And like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So, look, anybody that was on this stream, I know that you guys are the real followers because you got out here, and I'm going to reward you. So this is what we're going to do. For anyone on this stream right now, if you buy any one of my 3 books, instead of having 1 month for free in the Discord, I'm going I'm going to do 2 months. All right. For anyone on this stream right now, if you go ahead, you buy a book, you're going to get 2 months for free. Okay. 60 days instead of 30 days. And you could just see the regular price on the room here is $50. So it's a pretty good deal. Okay. It's a pretty good deal. So anybody doing that. All right. And look, if you bought it, you know, like an hour or 2 hours ago, whatever, send me an email and I'll honor it. Okay. I'll make sure I take care of you guys. I won't do you guys like that. All right. Lotto Friday tomorrow. Things are going to pop off tomorrow. So if you guys want to come and trade with us live, let's go ahead and let's hit it together. Thank you very much for your time. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. And guys, help me get this message out. I don't know why. Maybe they don't want me to have the message out. Like maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's just what it is now. You know, I work so hard to grow my following, and it's like pathetic when I see stuff like this. It's like the knowledge is being suppressed. You know, I'm trying to teach people risk management. I'm trying to teach people not to chase. I guess that's not a good message. Anyways, guys, I really want to thank you for coming out. All right. Take care, guys. And I don't think I'll be live tomorrow, but definitely on Sunday, I will be for our regular Sunday stock talk. All right. Take care.